In this video, we will see how to fix error code 712 error checking file system on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of file system error code in your system, then here are the fixes. And the first one is open File Explorer by pressing Win+E shortcut key. And here go to your drive having error. Right click on it and choose Properties. Here from the top menu bar, go to Tools and here under error checking, click on check. Here choose a scan drive and follow on screen instruction to complete the scanning procedure of your hard disk, and close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and here type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear. Here click on yes. Command prompt windows will now open. Here in command prompt windows, after blinking cursor, execute the command chkdsk space your drive later and double dot and press enter. It will scan your system and it will, after that, check whether any error found or not. Thereafter, on the same command prompt windows, execute the command chkdsk space d your drive later /f and press enter. It will scan your disk and repair them accordingly. After that, close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and here type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Choose yes if pop-up window will appear, and in command prompt windows, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait beginning system files. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose device manager. Under available device driver list, go to your disk driver, expand it, right click on your disk driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. So update your disk driver and hopefully your file system error code definitely be resolved. That's all.